Tim the Tool Guy here. We got upgrade day. So just recently I installed this new solar panel. It's very similar in specs, almost the same as the factory one. Anyway, I don't have a tutorial, but it's pretty simple. But next, well, I want to just install the air shield because when you're coming through the wind at 65 or so, the air is coming up here and it can get concentrated, and the air power is pretty strong. If this got free, bad things happen. So I'm basically installing it similar to the factory one, except mine will probably be better. All right, we got alcohol, rag, alpha self-leveling lap sealant. We got the piece of aluminum. It's like 1.75 inches or so, 26.5 inches long. Butyl sealing tape, drill, driver, a drill, and some screws. So this is gonna go front like this. I just need to have a little bit of room to put my lap sealant in here. So first step, mark where it's gonna go. Next, we drill some holes. Okay, next step, rubbing alcohol on the surface, as well as on both sides of the aluminum as well. Real clean. Next step, butyl tape. Cover the holes. Yeah, this is our first line of defense against the water infiltration. Okay, we have a little bit of extra butyl tape squeeze out, so we gotta cut some of that off. About cutting through my roof material. Then we'll seal it with the alpha sealant. Of course, then we gotta cover the screw holes. And we're done. Got her filled up. Also, one thing you gotta check, I need to put a little bit more on that screw. One thing you might wanna check is while you're up here, especially since I have this thing of sealant open, is to check for any spots I might wanna hit I did notice a spot right here, there's a bubble, and I popped it. No water got underneath, but I definitely want to put a little bit of sealant in there. There we go.